Okay, in today's video, I'm just going to recreate one of the setups that we had in the NASDAQ today. Very, short-term symmetry setup. Actually, this one was done on a 30-minute chart during the trading day, but you could also see it on the 5-minute chart. Now, this setup came in by comparing these two swings, this high to low, which was 135 points, and I projected that from this high, and this swing down was 135.25 points. Almost equal, almost perfect symmetry. So this is what it looked like. You take the prior high to low, project from the high, and see that that gave us potential support, 66.77.5. Now it also just happened to overlap a 618 retracement of the low to the high at that time. And that came in just a little bit lower at the 66.69 area. Now, as far as a trigger, I want to show you what a trigger would look like. Now, we typically use tick chart triggers for futures. And notice that, after we did hit and hold that support, that you did see a rally, literally, of 172 points. Okay, so here's what the trigger looks like. You go down to tick chart, you can use something like a 144 tick or a 233 tick. This is pretty much where we traded into that support decision. Here's where you had the moving average crossover. And then it's a little bit iffy here as far as, is this really a prior swing high that you can consider, it as far as taking it out? And yeah, but it's a little bit sketchy. This swing high would have been a little bit more obvious. But once you saw both the crossover and taking out the prior swing high, you were okay to look at the buy side with your initial risk, either underneath the low or underneath the zone. And then obviously that's where the beautiful rally followed. So it would have been nicer if I took it myself, but we did have it in the trading room.